In the state of Texas, legal residents, so to speak, are treated differently than citizens. And obviously illegal residents are treated differently than citizens. If an illegal resident is charged with a crime, they were probably subject to immediate deportation and also federal prosecution. They put a detainer on them, take them to a place called Immigration Row and hold them there. Obviously they can contest a deportation, but they're still subject to deportation. And in the case of an illegal resident or non-resident, then they are subject to criminal prosecution under federal law and could actually spend the mandatory 2 years in the federal penitentiary. Legal residents, those that have their green card, so to speak, they're treated different than citizens of the United States also for purposes of criminal prosecution. There are certain things that we call crimes of moral turpitude that allow the laws to be applied differently to even legal residents. For instance, if a legal resident pleads guilty to some offense, even a minimal felony offense like a state jail felony, and they're placed on probation, they will immediately, at least by their first probation date, have a detainer or a hold put on them, so to speak. They'll detain that individual and in most cases deport them back to their country of origin. Well, when they don't report to their probation department as required under the agreement that the court had set out, then that's a violation. If they're ever caught, even though they're a legal resident, if they're ever caught back in the United States, they'll probably go straight to jail after a revocation hearing. So it applies different to legal residents as opposed to citizens of the United States who are eligible for probation and who can get probation all the time.